Hey guys, Gameboy 3800 here once again, and today, 2 packages. I know what one is, I'm not so sure what the other is, so let's find out. I'm going to start off with the smaller one first. I hope you could tell that by now. And yep, here they are. 3 of these. One plugs into the motherboard, the other's plug into other fan. So it's a fan expansion. So that you could have more cooling case fans on your rig. Those will come in handy. And now the bigger one. It's quite heavy, but not actually very big. And I'm not sure what's in here. Probably a single bolt. But of course it has 32 pounds of packing. Ah, here it is. And I already know what this is. This here is the Corsair TX650 Gold Edition power supply. It's got gold ends, and it's for a build I'm doing. It's not one that you've seen, but it's one that I've been hinting at for the past 2 or 3 videos. So yeah, this is always the first step to go with. Getting a big, beefy power supply that will run all the drives, the hard drive, the fans, the cooling, the hard drive, the DVD, everything, and the motherboard. So yeah, you don't want to skimp out on the power supply if you're doing a gaming build. Always get the most that you can. That was a $50 power supply, so I'm quite glad I got it. So yep. Thanks, Gameboy out. See you next time with more parts.